That's way better. Okay, check it out, check it out. There's the holiday train right there. And look at all the people way down there. This is awesome.
Okay.
The holiday train.
The holiday train. This is the first year for me to see the holiday train.
Is it?
Yeah. Very excited. Hi. There you are.
Like the hat.
Oh yeah, do you like our hats?
Yes.
Wait, you got to flip it around. Show your hat too.
Okay, here's my hat. See, there's our hats. There.
Oh, so fun.
Check
so we're
it
waiting
out.
right now for the stage to open up, and this is what happens. The holiday train pulls up, and then the stage opens up, and whether it be Johnny Reed or Tracy Brown, one of the two is going to come out first. So we're just waiting to see what's going to happen. You can hear it in the background.
Oh,
We've got huge snowflakes and big Christmas trees on top of the one car. Brad's got his camera, so we're putting a bunch of this on our website.
That's what I like. That's dope, def, jam, fly, hype, all that good stuff. You're looking good, people. Are you feeling good? Come on! Well, all right. Oh, yeah. Come on!
My toes are frozen. No, I know they're not the right footwear, but I'm doubled up on socks. I've got woolies underneath.
It's the one, the only, Johnny Reed!
That was so good.
That was awesome. I loved it.
Very much.
Merry Christmas, Regina.